Welcome back to the Acute Block Crypto News Roundup. In this video, we'll be learning about the Government of India partnering with Polygon Network for real-world use cases. As Polygon, MATIC, gears up for the release of Polygon zkEVM and potential rebranding as POL. The blockchain network continues to expand its real-world applications. In a significant development, the Indian government has chosen Polygon to issue caste certificates to its citizens. The government of Maharashtra, India's second most populous state, is utilizing Polygon's blockchain to provide verifiable caste certificates, and Karnataka state's employers are already using the certificates for identity verification. Caste certificates are essential documents in India, validating an individual's caste or community, and are given to scheduled castes, SC, scheduled tribes, ST, and other backward classes, OBC, by government authorities. Polygon's secure and transparent platform ensures the safe handling of sensitive information, including education and health conditions of citizens. This partnership with the Indian government is just one of several examples of governments and social services utilizing Polygon's blockchain network. In Mongolia, the Polygon network stores digital diplomas of the Mongolian National University as unique tokens called soulbound tokens, SBTs, making them immutable and unchangeable. Moreover, Polygon is collaborating with Lugano Plan B, the world's first blockchain-based city, to establish a comprehensive cryptocurrency-based system for city residents in partnership with Tether, a USDT distribution company. The increasing adoption of Polygon's blockchain technology across various sectors highlights its versatility and potential impact on real-world applications. As the platform evolves with upcoming releases and partnerships, it continues to solidify its position as a leading player in the blockchain space. Thank you for joining us to learn about the Indian government partnering with Polygon Network. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Acute Block Crypto News Roundup for more updates on the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies. Until next time, stay informed and keep exploring the possibilities of blockchain technology for positive change.